What to do, YouTube? It's just Jane back with just another video.
Hi, my name is Tucker. Is that it?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello! It doesn't have autofocus. She gave me 2 things to prime her face and then gave me an ultimatum basically saying that she would break up with me if I used the wrong thing.
Are we dating?
You said we were. Are we? You called me your boyfriend!
I'm gonna have such a hard time.
So we have 2 primers here. We have the Mario Tedesco facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender.
Spadescu.
Oh, right. I'm sorry, Tedesco. The Mario Tedesco. And then the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. I'm scared now. I don't know which one to...
I just pray you make the right choice.
What is the right choice?
Good job. Why are you opening it like that? That's a little weird.
Just with my hands?
Yeah, go on. I don't care if your hands touch my face.
Now with clean hands, we're going to apply this to the face. Include the neck. That's important. So they got in your weave.
That's okay.
Okay.
This is all on you, bro.
I think, bro. Like the whole facial massage?
Go ahead, give me a facial. There are a few.
What?
Just gotta rub it in there.
I love that you have blonde hair right now because it's so easy to see and get out of the way.
You know, my edges do be fucked up. Oh my god, are you gonna blend down my neck?
Yes, girl, we're not trying to have your face look different from your neck. Tell me I'm wrong.
That just tickles.
Good. Look up. Like this. There you go.
Tickles.
You're gonna have to get over it.
Ah!
Okay, we're done.
I mean, technically you didn't apply the foundation, right? But you don't use a beauty blender to apply foundation, but...
You don't?
No.
Says who? Can we insert that clip of says who? Jesus girl.
Who said? Jesus.
You can use, here's the other one.
No, this is okay,
Are you sure you want to use that one?
Yes.
A girl is very serious about her makeup.
Is she?
Or that one.
Okay,
But
work.
this one's usually the one I use, but...
Then why would you give me this one? Can I give you a slit in your eyebrow?
No.
Via makeup?
Absolutely not.
Via makeup.
Absolutely not.
Do it again. You're gonna be snatched after this. That facial expression gave me everything I needed to know. I'm not sure what I want. Do I use this for that?
You can use that or you can use that.
What
Up
do
to
you
you.
use? She uses this.
How do you know?
Because you went.
Wow. Oh my god, boyfriend. You know so well.
Yeah, get into it.
It's like a paintbrush.
I know, isn't it good? That's some Morphe.
Some bronzer, girl. With that big fluffy brush.
Bronzer. Boy, that's powder. I mean, I do have bronzer though.
This isn't bronzer, that's just a dark highlighter. So we're not using that.
How did you know? I guess he's an MUA, he knows it all. Come on, James Charles. I usually tap off the excess.
Back into it because we're saving our what? Money. Why? Why would you do that?
Because it's not gonna go back in, I don't think.
Child. Anyway, so.
Look up. Is your neck that ticklish? That's a yes.
I'm the guy you want, girl. That's the kind I'll be. Turn myself upside down. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Can we cuddle later?
Yes.
Okay.
You see how much? That just filled that back up. Don't blow it.
I'd be blowing, bro.
She'd be blowing.
It actually feels really good. And GL, not gonna lie.
Why did you just do the same thing twice? She said NGL, not gonna lie. So basically you said not gonna lie, not gonna lie.
I just felt like NGL sounded good. Why was this the scariest part to you? You're doing great.
Because I don't know how to do this.
My camera's dying.
We're trying to cut crease.
Whatever you're doing, you're not doing it correctly. You are making big mistakes.
Oh, I know. It started off really well and then went downhill.
Baby, I'm black. This is not going to be good on my crease. It's going to be good on my lid.
That was on your lid, girl.
Oh, well.
Period, point blank.
And you still didn't use the right end, so that's why it's not packed on correctly, and that's why I can't see it. If you wanted to, this would have been the smarter option, but you don't have to, you know? I'm really here rooting for you.
I was rooting for you. We were all rooting for you.
Are you?
Yes. You have this ghetto brush.
Ghetto girl number 1. We call her Tiffany. You call her Tiffany. I call her Tiffany.
You call her Stephanie? I call her Heffany.
No, it's you call her Stephanie.
Oh no!
The ratchet girl be doing it for me.
Oh, like that.
You've already made a mistake. Are you gonna like brush them out, or are you gonna? Do you need a ratchet girl?
No.
Well, okay, you got a spoolie. I know. I'm micromanaging. This is really good.
She's really good.
Get in, mother. Do it. I'm sorry, I can't cuss.
Well, you can. I just have to
bleep
it out. Yeah. But is my large personality showing?
No, girl.
Why did you say that to me?
Okay, my favorite part, the part that you're gonna hate. We can match, it's my left one.
No! Are you putting a slit in my brow?
Girl, no. Yes.
No. Oh.
I did it. It's done. It is done.
Bro, you really slit my brow with concealer.
Yes.
My camera died. How is he gonna leave me like that to go get some eyeliner and just leave me to talk to the camera like it's nothing? What kind of mess is this? Girl, I don't have time. Left cheek, right cheek, drop it low, then swing. Texas up in this thing. Gang, 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 gang.
Yeah, get into it.
You've done a great job.
That's far, but I can still up.
Come on!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
You've done a great job.
That's far, but I can still up.
You know what?
Don't look. Don't do it. Can't flank. It's a tap step.
That's my boy.
Yes. Bad gal bang. That's what we're using.
By benefit.
Blink. Blink.
He said lashes.
Come in with the vocal.
Oh yeah.
I end up blowing directly on your face, just heads up.
I don't mind you blowing. Would you?
Keep on going.
You made me feel nervous. Okay. No, I'm just thinking about how when you tell me not to blink, I'm not gonna blink if I stare into your eyes because I get lost in them. Anyway.
Ocean eyes.
I don't know that song, but anyways.
You don't know Billie Eilish?
Wait, yes I do.
I was about to say. Like, that was a really close to God.
Sorry, I wasn't ready.
Okay. Blink, blink.
Have you done this before?
No.
Never.
Never.
Interesting.
She looks like a bad queen.
You can
Queen.
go ahead and say bad bitch. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
But you know, I'm supposed to be letting you do your thing.
Let me do my thing then. Smile real big.
I don't see nothing.
I do.
Okay. Okay. Stop.
Stop what? With a clean brush, a giant one.
That is a very giant one. There are smaller options, but go on ahead. Okay, highlight. Okay, I'm sorry, I don't know. Okay. I'm sorry. Good luck. Good luck with my lips.
Thank you.
Stop! Good luck. You're gonna have to get the wet part and everything.
The wet part, oh.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I know. Okay, sorry, babe.
She's not gonna let
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, go, just go for it. Just go now.
No, stop moving.
Me talking while I say that. You're so talking. This is super cute.
Back it off.
This is an awkward angle. Boyfriend, this is really good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I tried it my hardest.
I don't want to mess up my lipstick. I don't want to mess it up.
I did great on.
I don't want to mess it up, so I'm not gonna kiss you, but I'll kiss you later.
Oh, your mom is gonna see this. And she's gonna
No,
be
my
convinced.
dad is gonna see this. Follow him on Instagram. Super cute. 10 out of 10. Very proud of you for somebody who's never done this before.
Thank you.
Like, I must say, I am impressed.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, wait. That's kind of a cute thumbnail. Wait a minute. Oh. Except this is my good side. Like, this is my good side, this isn't my good side.
Oh, it works.
So that's kind of a problem. But it's still a cute little voguing moment. 1, 2, 3 piece.